Hello everyone. My name is Satyavan Lokhande from Sangli, Maharashtra. I have completed my bachelor's in computer science from Solapur University in 2022. After that, I am searching for a job, and then I came across the Evision Technoserve. Evision Technoserve is a IT consulting and recruitment company. I was joined their full-day online internship program, where I trained under the guidance of experienced IT manager and administrators. On that time, I gained hands-on experience on networking, virtualization, Windows Server, Windows Administrator, ITL, and troubleshooting. I'm excited to share that I've been selected by Orient Technology Private Limited with a good package. I am very grateful to Evision Tech team for their guidance and support. And special thanks to Priya ma'am, Sati ma'am for the placement support. Thank you so much.